I just want to say thank you, Supriya.
Yeah, you're on.
Okay. So I just want to say thank you, Supriya, and it was wonderful doing it with my other friends, Arpita and Devesh, and of course Uday, Anil, Mohit, the ones I don't know as well. Uh, I have still not understood what soul's love. I'm going to be very honest about it. But yes, as you said, that everything doesn't have logic. I know the three, four sentences and you will send it to us. So I am willing to try it with an open mind. And after a few days, when I come with some change, I would love to, tell you, okay, Supriya, this is the change that I have experienced. One thing that you have definitely grilled is have an open mind, and that's something I will definitely follow.
That would
So
be a
thank you.
biggest, learning, because you've done Reiki, you're aspiring, to learn more. So having that openness and not having that logical mind always, we should have both.
Right.
If you go to illogical, you will receive more. So access, से क्या होता है access? One thing that happens after access bias is लोगों की receiving बढ़ जाती है वैसे.
Right.
So we receive more. Now that receiving can be in any way. So today
Correct.
I have received the judgments, I have received the goodness,
Correct.
and I don't know what else I've received. So
So only one little feedback, and it's a constructive one, not a negative one, is I would have been really happy, again, the logical part, to know why I'm doing certain things because that would motivate me more. But it's okay. I will take your word for it that, okay, just do it. So thank you. Thank you, Supriya. I'm really happy I attended this session.
please use, and if your logical mind comes, say this is my soul's love. My need to go beyond this logical mind is my soul's love.
Done. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you for the
Thank
feedback.
you.
Devesh, can't hear you unless you don't want to say it.
Sorry. My mic was off. Even my logical mind is quite strong. So I actually I don't know where to apply this. How in what situations. So maybe I will send you some messages.
No, no, don't send me. Take it. Take it. Take one situation. I'm just pausing. Yeah. Arpita,
You, Supriya, and what I really feel is like, there's never a logic for everything what is happening, and this has really opened a new, thinking in my mind. I'm really going in a different direction, and I definitely would like to, explore more about it. And I will definitely use this format, and I'll have a few things which I will now definitely try to use this format. And within 7 days, I will definitely reply you back and how I'm feeling about it, and what was initial thing, and then later on after 7 days, how was the things happening. I will definitely let you know, and I would really
I'm
like to
eagerly
explore more.
waiting.
I would really like to explore more because I think this is a complete different scenario you have put us into. Like, you, beyond beyond logical, there is something else which is important to know and which is going to help you and heal you. And so I really, really want to look forward into.
So there was a line, beyond right and wrong or beyond logic. Rumi ka ek hai.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
that's my son, eagerly impatient right now.
Yeah,
So
I can
Uday,
understand it's
last beta,
two
ho gaya hai.
hours. It's
Uday,
2 hours
I
now.
think you're the.
हाँ 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 ये सेशन जो जब स्टार्ट हुआ था when the session started I was nowhere because basically we are banker and I'm a mathematician everything we link with the logic जो आप जो बोल रही हैं तो मुझे कुछ भी समझ में नहीं हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं कुछ भी समझ नहीं रहे हैं so later
Learning
on
for me to have all logical minded today.
see everything जब हम कुछ काम कर रहे हैं ये करिए तो क्या होता है द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन arises राइट सो उस मन से स्टार्ट किया है बस लेटर ऑन ये अंडरस्टूड दैट इसका लॉजिक नहीं है पहला इम्प्लीमेंट करो तो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस आई विल डेफिनेटली इम्प्लीमेंट दिस वन विल लेट यू नो
Anil ji, you're the only one left.
Yeah, I will definitely do it sincerely for 7 days and then get back to you. Thank you very much.
So, बस हो गया. So thank you. I have no idea how I'll share the recording also.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining.
Thank you, Supriya.
And,
it was nice. Yeah.
So you can just say yes in
Thank
the
you
group.
so much, Supriya. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Who's that? Cutie.
चलो अब इतना आगे तो बोलो. Okay. His
Beta.
birthday was yesterday. So we had a lovely birthday yesterday. Okay.
Hi, Cutie. Hi.
Bye. Okay. We are going.
So this person will every time say, I don't want healing. Okay. जब चाहिए होगा ना, I made him do Soul's Love once. Instantly he slept. So this is for us, we have a difference of imagery and what was the other one?
Behavioral.
No, imagery is for kids. They don't have filters.
Yeah.
We have filters. So if you see, बच्चों का होता अलग होता है. We are all logical minded. We are conditioned for that. So how many filters we have to pass on to at least acknowledge कि कुछ तो था यार, कुछ तो बता रही है ये. Let me at least listen.
Yeah.
So we go through so many filters in our mind. For kids, it is like, okay, you're changing something. फटाफट हाँ बस हो गया खत्म. Okay, so this is my thing. This is how illogical we have to be with this. So thank you for showing me that.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Supriya. Good evening.
काला चश्मा लगा के.
Good.
बढ़िया. Bye Uday. Bye Anil. Bye Devesh. Bye Arpita. Good night.
Bye Astra. Bye Devesh.
And if you are sending any amount, just bless the amount. This is something we always teach. अभी time नहीं है तो मैं नहीं बता रही हूँ. Okay. चलो.
You are available on Paytm, right?
And I will leave the okay.